Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I got this look using the ABH Norvina Volume 4 palette. And we're just going to start off by using this color with this fluffy brush. This is going to be a quick look. You're just going to go and tap it on. I usually do my other eye, but I messed up. So tap it on about halfway. Just pack it on there just like that. I pinned my hair back so it's out of the way, but after that you're gonna get the same brush or a clean brush that's the same. I just wipe this one off and then I'm getting into the yellow one right here, and you're gonna do the same thing, just tap it on. I'm not even blending, I'm just tapping, and it'll blend as you tap, just like that. Once you get that tapped on there, you're just gonna go back in to the purple. Make sure your brush is clean from that yellow, or you can get a different brush. And you're just gonna put that on your lower lash line, just like that. Now I'm just gonna take this LA Girl Shockwave liner, it's purple, and I'm gonna bring that to my lower lash line. Or waterline, I mean. Just like that. And then take the brush and blend it a little bit. Just like that. And then I'm gonna apply mascara to my lower lashes. Now we just gotta add glitter. We're gonna add the Cleof Cosmetics pressed glitters, and we're going in with this purple, and I'm using a flat brush, and you're just going to tap it on. Tap it on top of the purple. And then once you have it tapped on top of the purple, you're gonna go in with this white glitter, and that's going to go on top of the yellow, and you just tap it on. Once it's tapped on to the yellow, take a little bit more and tap it onto the inner corner or that highlight, and it's done. There's the finished look. Let me know if you guys like it. I hope it was quick and easy for you guys. Thank you. Here it is one more time up close before I get cut off. And it's that simple.